Did you get the front entrance, Dawn?
Yeah, I did.
All right, try again. There's a lot of activity. That's good. Oh, that's a perfect shot right there. That was good.
Okay.
That was perfect. All right, let's see. That's glued on there pretty good. Now, this is sticky. Now, remember, when you take the lid off, no vibration, no snapping, because that's what transmits all the way down to the bottom. All right. Okay, that should be good. Hold on, I can't. We're still stuck.
Is that heavy?
No, we're stuck. Hold on. Look, see, they're all attached. Yeah, that's not good. There's a couple leaves in there.